Hello, and welcome to presentation of Microsoft Power BI Technology Opportunities by Vitaly Stockman. What is Power BI? It's a set of tools that allow you to gather data from various sources and turn it into meaningful information that can help you to make better business decisions. The special thing about Power BI is that it allows even non-technical users to perform sophisticated analysis using a predefined selection of data sources. It is also very recent technology, announced last summer and became publicly available just a few months ago in February 2014. Product-wise, it has been launched as a commercial Office 365-based service with monthly subscription cost. It represents a special website where you can have a library of your data sources and reports available for all users. And it has a set of Microsoft Excel-based components, which are actually available without extra cost to anyone who already has Microsoft Excel 2013. Now more about the Power BI components, or as I refer to them, the treasure chest. Meet Power Pivot, an Excel-based add-in for data modeling of big data. You can connect to various data sources, define relationships, and build a beautiful and interactive pivot table like this. The resulting report can later be published online, and live data becomes viewable using simply a web browser on any computer, tablet, or even a smartphone. Power View takes what Power Pivot has done and allows you to visualize it. You can build an interactive chart that can have control elements that allow you to manipulate what type of data fragment you see. Power Map is yet another step towards visualization. It allows you to make advanced graphical visualization, also in 3D. You can even create video animations to highlight the key data. If Power Pivot wasn't enough to import the data you wanted, chances are the Power Query will do it. It supports even such data sources as distributed Hadoop database, your Facebook feed, or any table you can find on the web. Another great feature is online search, which allows you to search through various publicly available data sources, such as data.gov or any data table you can find on the web. And finally, my favorite feature, Power BI Q&A, or questions and answers. It allows you to literally speak to your database and ask it for data just like you would ask a real person. For example, entering a query like, what were the sales last year by product, as pie chart, would instantly give you the pie chart you want as a picture. The screenshot shows a response to query medal count by sport for France and China as bar chart, sorted by country. That was taken from Olympics database. Isn't it great? What new opportunities Power BI offers for today's businesses? It delivers advanced yet affordable business intelligence solution. Well-established business intelligence products, such as those sold by SAP, Oracle, or IBM, are very expensive, often too expensive for small businesses. Power BI clearly covers the gap. Something you had to ask your IT department to do in order to get the required data, now you can do yourself, sometimes in a matter of seconds. Features like Power BI Q&A are the future of human-computer interaction. It delivers unseen-before simplicity of user interaction with data and represents a step into the future. Thank you for your attention.